Fun facts about birds. All birds have feathers, but not all the birds can fly. Penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich. Birds are vertebrates, which means they have backbones. Birds eat insect food, seeds, fish, small mammals, and fish. There are over 10,000 species of birds in the world. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Birds have beaks but do not have any teeth. All female birds lay eggs. What fun fact about bird is your favorite? Don't forget to comment down.